is a mountain that opens downwards to a pool of molten rock below the surface of the earth. When pressure occurs, it erupts.
If you live near an active volcano, keep goggles and a mask in an emergency kit, along with a flashlight and a working battery-operated radio.
Danger area around a volcano covers about a 20-mile radius.
Know your evacuation route and keep gas in your car.
In an eruption, interrupt me, why don't ya? Gases and rocks shoot up through the opening, spill over, or fill the air with lava fragments.
Evacuate only as recommended by authorities to stay clear of lava, mud flows, flying rocks, and debris.
More than 80% of Earth's surface is volcanic origin.
If not evacuating, close windows, doors, block chimneys, and other vents to prevent ash coming into the house.
There is more than 500 active volcanoes in the world.
And here's Lacey with the last safety tip.
Be aware ash may put excess weight on your roof and need to be swept away.